Hey everybody, it's the weekend forecast today. So what we're going to have a look at the weather for the weekend, a detailed look at weather for the weekend. Before I get off the video though, just want to talk about the advertising. There'll usually be a video ad overlaying my web videos at GazWebBiz.com. Please play those video ads. You'll be supporting GazWebBiz.com by doing that. Also want to mention the websites I'm using for this forecast. We've got the Met Office website with the radar picture that we're going to look at in a moment. We've also got the charts at westcentral.de and the weatheroutlook.com. You can find all three websites on my links page. Just click on the links tab at the bottom of this page, go through to my links page, and you'll see the links for these websites. Click on those links, you can go through to websites and see everything that's in this video for yourself. So this is the situation at the moment in terms of the radar picture. We've got some showers up over Scotland. One or two of those are quite heavy. And we've also got this quite scraggly looking line of precipitation here from southwest England, South Wales in towards Northing. This is actually a weather front. It's a nuisance, this weather front, because it's lying across central parts of the country, just producing cloud, little bits and pieces of showery rain. But it's the dividing line between very, very hot weather down to the southeast, and much cooler but still quite warm weather up to the northwest. So if we have a look at the upper air temperatures, we can see the extent of that heat down across the southeast and across the continent in particular. Very, very hot across France and Spain today, and will be through the weekend. Really intensely hot temperatures above 40 Celsius across many southern and central parts of France today. So over 100 Fahrenheit, 104, 105, 106 Fahrenheit across some southern parts of France into Spain. New records being set, in fact, across some parts of Spain this weekend. So really hot, as I say, across much of France and Spain, and that heat is just getting up in towards the southeast of the country, and it's just this weather front is just the dividing line between the heat to the southeast and that cooler weather to the northwest, and the dividing line is somewhere around here across northern England and North Wales. So if you have a look at the facts chart, that is the weather front that's lying across these central parts of the country. It's just the, as I say, the dividing line between the heat to the southeast and the cooler weather to the northwest. It's quite a weak feature today, but it will probably pep up tonight and through the course of tomorrow. So for the rest of today, we can expect a band of cloud across northern England, parts of Wales, in towards the Midlands as well. Some parts of the Midlands will have some cloud, and down into the southwest, some showery bits and pieces around as well. Some sunshine and showers really for Scotland, and dry, hot and sunny down to the southeast. Temperatures possibly up to 30 degrees in the southeast. That's 86 Fahrenheit. Now overnight we'll probably start to find some heavier rain coming into the far southwest of the country by the end of the night, but elsewhere it's going to become dry with clear spells in the southeast and low cloud and mist further north. A warm night tonight, very warm in the cities. Temperatures perhaps no lower than 20-21 degrees in London, so a really uncomfortably sticky night across some of the cities tonight. Generally we're down to around 17-18 degrees for many of us. That is warm enough. Now as we go into Sunday, we're going to find that weather front pepping up, and it is going to be combining with the heat to perhaps produce some thundery showers. So for southwestern England, Wales, parts of the Midlands in towards Lincolnshire and northern England, we could well have some quite heavy rain developing through the course of the day, possibly some thunderstorms as well mixed in, particularly over the Midlands. They'll be quite scatterbow storms, but if you catch one you really will know about it. And we may find one or two very scattered isolated storms developing in the heat further southeast as well. Scotland, Northern Ireland probably having a mix of sunshine and showers. Those showers quite well scattered, but there could be some heavy showers around in places. Now it's going to be really warm in the southeast, really hot, temperatures up to 32 degrees, perhaps 90 Fahrenheit, although it's dependent on cloud and how much in where showers and storms develop, but certainly potentially there for a very hot day in the southeast, and humid as well. Generally temperatures around 26, 27, 28 degrees, so into the 80s Fahrenheit for many of us. Now that's the peak of heat, because as we go in towards Monday, we're going to find this weak weather front coming southeast across the country. That's just going to take a band of cloud and perhaps isolated showers in towards the southeast, but it'll cool things down a little bit. So we will find those temperatures dipping back to around 26, 27, 28 degrees. So still very warm, but not the real heat of Sunday. So a few showers in the southeast, rather a lot of cloud really across the country on Monday. Perhaps some showers again for Scotland and Northern Ireland, but more in way of sunshine in the west. But east, I think, and the southeast will be cloudier. Into Tuesday, and now we're starting to bring these little troughs in off the Atlantic, and we're starting to turn the winds around to the west from the Atlantic, so it will be turning cooler and fresher. A lot of dry weather around on Tuesday, I think, with sunny spells, but there will be some showers coming into the west, and maybe some quite heavy showers in the north for Scotland, Northern Ireland, maybe Northern England, getting some quite heavy showers on Tuesday. But further south, quite a bit of dry weather, but some showers in the west. Temperatures dipping down though, dropping down to around 20-21 degrees in the west, so that's much cooler and fresher, much more what it should be for the time of year. Still quite warm in the east, one more quite warm day with temperatures around 25, 26, 26 is 79 Fahrenheit. Then as we go into Wednesday, we're in this westerly flow across the country. That could bring a few showers into the north, but a lot of dry weather around, I think, on Wednesday with sunny spells. Some showers in the north, as I say, but mainly dry in the south. The thing you'll notice on Wednesday, it'll be a lot cooler and fresher with temperatures around 18 to 22 degrees. 22 is 72 Fahrenheit. It certainly will feel cooler and fresher. More dry weather really persists into Thursday, although some showers again for the north, perhaps with this area of low pressure, but a lot of dry weather on Thursday with sunny spells. Temperatures again near normal, around 21, 22 degrees. And the nights will be a lot cooler and fresh as well. This area of low pressure then starts to come in off the Atlantic as we go into Friday. That could bring some cloud and rain into Ireland and southwest England, but the rest of the country again a lot of dry weather, some showers in the north again, but a lot of dry weather I think on Friday with sunny spells and temperatures around average around 20-21 degrees. But then as we go into the weekend, this low pressure will become an important and major feature over the country. So I think the bank holiday weekend looking very unsettled with showers or longer spells of rain, and most temperatures taking on a distinctly autumnal feel. And there's the jet stream starting to dig southwards again as we go through into next weekend, just bringing the cooler and more unsettled weather in. Finally, have a look at the charts from the weatheroutlook.com. This is situated today, lovely and sunny in the southeast and very hot with temperatures up to 30 degrees. Some showers further north, and then as we go into Sunday rather, we could find those showers becoming more extensive across parts of Wales, the Midlands, Northern England. Could be some quite heavy showers, maybe some thunderstorms mixed in with them. Very hot in the southeast, temperatures possibly hitting 90 Fahrenheit. Things start to cool off as we go into Monday. Still one or two showers around, rather a lot of cloud, but a lot of dry weather. A lot of dry weather on Tuesday as well, and most temperatures dipping down, so we're back to the mid-20s in the east on Tuesday, and we're down to the low 20s or high teens in the west, and that cooler weather extends to all areas by Wednesday. Temperatures back towards where they should be, 20-21 degrees. Again, a lot of dry weather, just some showers around some western and northern regions, and a lot of dry weather for Thursday, but temperatures are back down to where they should be, and dry weather really for Friday, although by the end of Friday we could start to bring some rain into the west ahead of that major area of low pressure. It looks as though it's going to really spoil things for the bank holiday. So that's it. It's going to be a hot weekend in the southeast. There could be some storms or some heavy rain around across the Midlands, Wales, Northern England on Sunday, and then slowly those temperatures will drop away in the southeast as we go through this first half of next week. But a lot of dry weather next week. I think many of us will have a good deal of dry conditions, so good weather for harvesting. If the farmers need to get harvest in, I think we'll have a lot of dry weather next week, but probably turning wet and cool for the bank holiday. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.